guests, friends, relatives, and people I know and hold dear. Salamat sa pag-abi. Thank you for coming and celebrating my a milestone. For me, I consider this as a milestone because even though layo pa ko, layo na sa Sugamay, so it's something worth celebrating for me. And as they say na, you can only be 18 once. And I would also like to express my heartfelt thanks to the people who made this night enjoyable, to the coordinator, to my makeup artist, my videographer and photographer, the catering services and staff. Thank you for your hard work and your effort. And okay, so now I want to express my deepest gratitude to my family.
Yay!
I owe this unforgettable day that I will treasure for the for the rest of my life. And none of this would be possible if it weren't for your ultimate love and support. Nako, thank you to my mom and to my brothers and sisters. So, ako siya binuot para wala kayo mabiling. Ma, there are so many things na grateful kayo to mo Really up on time na ma-express na ako. Thank you for the countless sacrifices you've made for me and our family. We see everything that you did. And we are forever grateful. Sorry. You're the best mom, and I'm glad you're the mom. My siblings, I love you. Guys, so let me subscribe. Ngayon, at Yaya, Kuya Dandy, Kuya Mikmi, Kuya Danis, and Kuya Loy. Thank you for your love, for your support and guidance. Because of you, never ko nakafeel na. I'm so sorry. Never ko nakafeel na wala ko love. I always ko nakafeel na protect ko. I have learned a lot from my older siblings that I will bring with me every day. My niece, Dani and Kyla, thank you for making me feel like an older sister and giving me the chance to experience having younger siblings. Even though ako ang pinamakuran, thank you for giving me the chance na makafeel ko na ate ko ninyo, love ko ng duha. My special friends, Iwan, May, Shanley, Matt. Thank you for being the people I grew up with, the shoulders I could cry on, my one call away, and my comfort zone. You are all amazing. I thank God for the greatest gift of all, the gift of life, the gift of love. I am grateful for the blessings na He has gave to me, my family, my friends, this day, and my wisdom, and a healthy body and mind. God has given me the most wonderful gift and most treasure, my family. They are truly the best part of my life and the reason I strive for more in life. So, thank you God for everything. And again, I want to thank everyone for your presence, your gift, and your kind words. Thank you for being a part of this very special day of life.
And with that, our program program has officially concluded. We would like to thank those people who have made this momentous night a success. We would like to thank you all for making it to this wonderful celebration. For those who are going home,